This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Christine Montilia. Beautifully renovated home in the prestigious Masters section of Pelican Sound. This desirable Greenbriar floor plan offers elegant upgrades throughout, including crown molding, plantation shutters, and a wide open great room. The gourmet kitchen features granite and quartz countertops, Bosch stainless steel appliances, a glass cooktop, pull-out pantry drawers, and island storage. The living area boasts ceramic tile, while bedrooms and the den showcase wood-look tile for a warm, inviting feel. The primary suite includes lanai access, a tray ceiling, custom walk-in closet, and a stunning ensuite bath with dual sinks, walk-in shower, freestanding tub, and pull-out storage. 2 guest bedrooms share an updated bath with a frameless shower door and quartz countertop. Step outside to a magnificent lanai with travertine tile, picture frame screen, and a sparkling pool with solar and electric heating, overlooking the 5th hole of the lake's course. Hurricane impact windows and electric storm shades provide peace of mind. Additional features include a 2-car garage with epoxy flooring, new pavers on the driveway, and a water softening system. If you are looking for an active lifestyle, look no further. 27 holes of championship golf, 14 pickleball, 8 tennis and 6 bocce courts. State-of-the-art fitness center that is professionally staffed. Pelican Sound is nestled up to the Estero River with access to the Gulf. The community offers dry boat storage, kayaks, canoes and paddle boarding, along with a shuttle boat to Lovers Key State Beach Park. Minutes from RSW International Airport and surrounded by fabulous shopping and restaurants. Start living the dream. For more information, review the details below.